everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Matrails, Sonali and Vikas. So we have come to Chikmagalur. This will be our leisurely trip. So we will show you the entire trip from where we have started, what we have done in the trip. So let's get started.
Good morning everyone. So the time is 7:30 in the morning and we have packed our bags and we are leaving to Chikmagalur. So come with us. Okay, let me show you the route map from Bangalore to Chikmagalur and the places that we are going to stop for breakfast and the stops that we are going to take. Let's see. So we are here in Bangalore right now. So we will be taking the Tumkur highway. And before reaching Tumkur, there is a town called Nelmangla. From there, we will take a left. This is the Mangalore highway. So here we were going to stop at one place for breakfast. That is, we will stop in MTR. MTR really has a very good breakfast options. So we will stop at MTR. And we will then continue on the same highway and we will reach Hassan. And from Hassan, we will have two options here to go either to Belur or Halebidu. So last time we went to Belur. This time we are planning to go to Halebidu and then to Chikmagalur. So in Halebidu we have a very beautiful Shiva temple. So we will visit Halebidu and then we will go to Chikmagalur. And while coming back, we will visit the Belur temple. Okay, let's start our journey.
तो आज संडे है और आप देख सकते हैं कितना क्लियर स्काई है, बिल्कुल ब्लू स्काई और अच्छा धूप निकला है, थोड़ी थोड़ी ठंडी भी हो रही है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है। तो देख सकते हैं हम एमटीआर पहुंच गए हैं।
कैसा है?
डोसा लिया है और एमटीआर का डोसा बहुत क्रिस्पी और बहुत टेस्टी होता है और अलग से ये घी भी ऐसे देते हैं, तो आप दाल के ऊपर खा सकते हैं, काफ़ी टेस्टी। तो हमने एमटीआर में अच्छा सा ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया, थोड़ा स्ट्रेचिंग कर लिया और वॉशरूम भी यहाँ पे काफ़ी क्लीन और बड़ा है, तो अच्छा हो जाता है। अब यहाँ से हम निकल रहे हैं और ऑलमोस्ट 2 घंटा लगेगा। अब हलेबीडू जा रहे हैं, फिर वहाँ पे टेम्पल में दर्शन करके हम चिकमंगलूर को जाएंगे।
So we are in Halebidu right now. This comes under Hassan district in Karnataka. So this is a Shiva temple. We have a similar temple in Belur which is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, which is called as Channakeshwara temple. So these are one of the most beautiful temples that we have visited. You can look at the carvings and the architecture here. It is so beautiful. It is also called as the Hoysaleshwar temple because it was built during the Hoysala Empire. So we have two Shivalingas here. One was built by the king and one was built by the queen. So you can also look at the Nandi statue over here. It is so big and beautiful. This temple is more than 1000 years old and it was partially destroyed by the Delhi Sultanate, but later on King Vishnuvardhana came and completed this temple again. So look at the carvings over here. It is so beautiful and we will find the carvings of Lord Shiva everywhere. The entire all the avatars of Lord Shiva, the life story of Lord Shiva, everything is carved in the stones. The carving of Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad Purana are all carved here in the stones, and we can also see the carvings of Lord Ganesha, Vishnu, Lakshmi and Shiva. So this is such a scenic route from Halebidu to Chikmagalur. You can see there is Arka nut farm on both the sides. So many trees on both the sides, full greenery, and we are driving in middle of it.
Now we finally reached Chikmagalur. Next we will be checking into our resort. We will give you a complete resort tour in our next video. So make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it. After checking in and taking a little rest, we are planning to visit Hirekulele Lake.
हाय एवरीवन, तो अभी हम आए हैं हीरे कोलेले लेक के पास. सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट इज फ्रॉम हियर, एंड वी कैन आल्सो सी द मुलियनगिरी पीक फ्रॉम हियर itself. That peak over there is Mulyangiri, and this lake is known as Hirekulele Lake, and it is so beautiful and so peaceful. So Hirekulele Lake was built for irrigation purpose, but now you can see it has become commercialized and it has become a tourist spot. So many people come here. It is just 10 to 15 minutes away from Chikmagalur, so you guys can come and check this out. It is very nice place to chill, spend your evenings here.
यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं बहुत सारे लोग आराम से स्टेयर्स पे बैठ के इतने ब्यूटीफुल नज़ारों का लुत्फ उठा रहे हैं. So guys, we are here at World of Coffee in चिकमंगलूर. ये बहुत ही अच्छा कैफ़े है चिकमंगलूर में, तो आइए अंदर से दिखाते हैं कि कैसा है. तो यहाँ आपको सारे टाइप के फिल्टर कॉफ़ीज मिल जाएंगे और इस यहाँ पे कॉफ़ीज मिलते हैं जहाँ पे आप परचेज कर सकते हैं. 1952 और अंदर अगर आप आते हैं तो यहाँ पे इनका कैफ़े भी है जो कि बहुत अच्छा है.
तो यहाँ पे देखिए कितने सारे आइटम्स अवेलेबल हैं.
बहुत अच्छा है, बेस्ट कॉफ़ी. इससे अच्छा कॉफ़ी आपको कहीं नहीं मिल सकता है. लेकिन बैंगलोर में भी हमने बहुत सारे कॉफ़ी शॉप्स ट्राई करे हैं पर इतना अच्छा कॉफ़ी हमें मिला नहीं.
ये है हेज़लनट हॉट चॉकलेट. चलिए पी के देखते हैं कैसा है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट हॉट चॉकलेट्स आई हैव एवर हैड.
और हमने पिज़्ज़ा भी लिया है. देख के तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है, तो ट्राई करके बनाते हैं कि कैसा है. ओह वाह,
बहुत मस्त है.
Today we are visiting the beautiful Belur temple, also known as Chennakeshwara temple, located in Karnataka. This temple is one of the finest example of Hoysala architecture and is more than 800 years old. The temple was built in 12th century by King Vishnuvardhana of the Hoysala Empire. It was constructed to celebrate his victory in battle and also to show the devotion to Lord Vishnu. When we first saw the temple, the first thing that caught our attention was the detailed carvings. Every wall of the temple is covered with beautiful sculptures. There are carvings of gods, dancers, animals, and the scene from Mahabharata and Ramayana. One of the most special part of the temple is the sculpture of dancers called Madanikas. Each one has a different pose and expression. It is amazing to see how artists carved such fine details in stone so many centuries ago. At the bottom of the temple walls, you can see rows of elephants. What is interesting is that no two elephants are the same. Each one is carved differently. This shows the dedication and creativity of the craftsman. The temple is built on a star-shaped platform, which makes its design unique. When you walk around the temple, you can clearly see how much effort and patience went into building it. It is hard to imagine how they created such a beauty without modern machines. Inside the temple, the atmosphere is calm and peaceful. The main deity here is Lord Channakeshwara, a form of Lord Vishnu. Devotees still come here every day to pray. Belur Temple is not just a historical monument, it is a place that shows a rich culture, art, and devotion of our past. Visiting this place makes us feel proud of our heritage and the incredible talent of our ancestors. If you ever plan to visit Karnataka, Belur Temple is definitely a place you should not miss.